Yes.
Court calls the case, People versus Aaron Salazar.
Echelon for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. David Chan, on behalf of Aaron Salazar. We do, Your Honor, we do have a plea.
Welcome back to the courtroom, and buckle up, because today's session is loaded with tension, confusion, and confrontation. From plea deals and missed sobriety tests to a defendant challenging his own lawyer, this one has it all. You'll see judges losing patience, defendants defending their honor, and lawyers caught in the crossfire. But the real question is, who's telling the truth and who's just playing the system? Let's find out.
This matter in return for the super drunk charge being dismissed. My client will plead to OWI first.
That's correct, Your Honor. The 93-day misdemeanor, $100 to $500 fine, 6 points from his license, and various other Secretary of State sanctions, contrary to 257-6251A. We'll dismiss the OWI high VAC. There had recently been not a violation, but a progress report cautioning the defendant to remain compliant with his SoberLink device. Mr. Shan had shared with me some of the explanation as to why there was that late/miss test. So I'm satisfied with that explanation and ready to move forward with this plea issue for acceptance.
All right. And that's a correct statement on the plea.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right.
He cleans residential houses and he takes SoberLink with him, and he left it at a residential house that he cleaned and then had to go back and get the owner to get the SoberLink out of the residential house so he could do the testing. So that is what happened.
May I have you sworn?
Raise your right hand. Solemnly swear to affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
State your name, please.
Aaron Salazar.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of operating while intoxicated. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days of jail, a $500 fine plus court cost. The court could order community service and any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And understanding that, do you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes,
And to that charge, how do you plead?
yes, I'm guilty.
You pleading guilty?
Guilty. Yeah.
All right. Now you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
No trial.
Not right.
That's the stuff that we went through. Yeah.
You understand that you will not have a trial, sir.
I'm sorry. Miss.
Do you understand there'll be no trial?
Oh, yeah.
All right. You signed an advice of rights form today, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
You understand these?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. You understand you're giving up those rights.
Yeah, you're waiving those. You're giving them up.
Yeah.
Okay. Is he understanding me?
Yes,
Because I've got to make sure that he does.
yes, he does. And that's why I'm slowing down because you speak really quickly and he does.
So that's the second insult Shan has given my court today. The first one when I wasn't out here, but was reported to me.
I did that.
No,
That is
you
not
said
an
it, and
insult.
I know you said it. Now you just did that. Now, that first one was about how hard I think I work my staff.
It was an honest.
And then this
honest
was just a
statement.
direct attack on me. All right. So no, I won't hold that against you. All right. But is he understanding?
Yes, he is.
All right. So you understand you're not going to have a trial. You're waiving all of the rights that are on this form.
I understand.
All right. You understand that you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yeah, I understand.
All right. Are you on probation or parole?
Yeah. I understand.
That's beyond bond.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you under the jurisdiction of any other court?
No.
All right. Have you ever been to prison for longer than a year?
Okay.
Have you ever been to prison?
Yeah.
Have you been to prison
The person well.
in the United States? Have you ever been to prison? Not jail, prison.
Yeah.
Okay. Counsel approach, Richard. to reflect that it had a bench conference with counsel. I'm going to stop the plea at this time. I'm going to adjourn this matter out June 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. And we'll take care of some issues. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Bond will.
Next case on the docket.
Court calls case People versus Carl Tinsley.
People,
Is that what Johnson was here on?
yes.
Is that, you gotta watch, Alan, did you see him sitting over there in the corner? He was hiding. He comes in here and hides. Go ahead.
Good morning, man. Please, this Honorable Court, Kareem Johnson, on behalf of Carl Tinsley, who's approaching from custody.
They're ringing. Your name, sir?
Carl Tinsley.
Thank you. Yeah, just step over. Yeah, there you go. All right. Okay, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we ask this matter be set for jury trial.
All right. Jury final settlement conference, June 6, 2025, 9 a.m. Jury selection if necessary, June 9th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
Your Honor,
I'm sorry. I'd like to speak about this
Oh.
moment.
Okay, hold on. Yeah, counsel first.
I have jury selection Lawrence Buckner in the Ypsilanti District Court on June 9th.
Jury selection
Yes, Your Honor.
before Judge Barr.
Yes, Your Honor.
It'll be here.
Okay,
We all select on the same day.
all right.
Your Honor, if I may, so Mr. Johnson and I have a fundamental difference in defense strategy. There's no point in us moving forward together on this case. Mr. Johnson is representing me in circuit court. I've submitted a motion to have Mr. Johnson remove his counsel in that case. Excuse me? Why? Because Mr. Johnson is totally uninterested in this case, in that case, in this case
Okay.
as well.
Mr.
yeah.
Tinsley, you've been before me before, and I'm just gonna tell you this.
Okay,
I haven't known Mr. Johnson necessarily all that long,
okay,
but I'm gonna tell you for maybe about the past year plus that he's been appearing before this court, there has not been a client that he has walked into this court where he has not been interested in their case and zealously representing his defendant. And so I don't believe you. You coming before telling me that about this attorney? I don't believe it for 1 minute, not 1 minute. I think because you've been before, is that you're probably not listening to him. He is advising you. I can guarantee he's protecting every right you have.
and you'd be absolutely
to the
wrong.
fullest.
I have not seen, this gentleman has told me he's going to show up to see me countless times at the county jail. He has not. I've been waiting over 2 years for
what?
for discovery in another case at all. This gentleman doesn't answer his phone. You're making these assertions without having
I'm done.
personal experience.
I'm done.
He
I'm done. If
is
you want to file
a
motion,
tool
if you
for
want to,
defense.
if you want
He
to file,
is- he-
if you want
he
to
is
file,
not
you're out, Mr. Tinsley, you're done. You're done. You are done.
Yeah, I think I need to respond to the 2-year comment. Mr. Tinsley does have a matter that's been pending for 2 years. I'm the 4th attorney on that matter. I have only been representing him since April. When I go to speak to him, he doesn't want to talk about what I want to talk about, Jan.
I know.
I just want to clear that up for the record.
And Mr. Johnson, I meant my words sincerely. I've dealt with Mr. Tinsley before. It's the game we play. So I'm done.
All right.
You're
thank
still on this case regrettably, but you're still on it.
And that wraps up a wild session, 2 defendants, 2 very different outcomes. Aaron's plea got paused for further review, while Tinsley's emotional outburst nearly derailed his case entirely. From legal strategy to courtroom respect, today's hearing shows how quickly order can turn into chaos when tensions boil over. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. legal insights, and real-life justice moments every week. Balance Scale Fire.